Hi, Patriots. In America, watching your competition is very important. Such is the case with McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts over the recent Starbucks announcement that no guns are welcome in their stores. And I've made a couple videos down at a couple local McDonald's that had big signs on them that said no weapons allowed. Come to find out that it's not every McDonald's. Let me read a little bit of this article that I found to you that says, McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts capitalizes on Starbucks screw-up with gun owners. 1 week after Starbucks CEO Howard Schultz announced that the coffee chain no longer welcomes guns, McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts have come out with their own policies in support of concealed carry laws. Even though Schultz said there was no outright ban on guns and that no one legally carrying a gun would be asked to leave Starbucks, his announcement immediately set off a firestorm among gun owners. Just as a side note, in my mind, what Schultz initially said is if you're a legal gun owner, you are not welcome here, but your money is welcome here. Well, I don't go anywhere I'm not welcome and where I'm just treated as a number rather than a customer. Business Insider asked officials with McDonald's and Dunkin' Donuts if they had a gun policy in their establishment. Both companies said they abide by state and local laws governing carrying requirements, according to Business Insider. Now, that's exactly what Starbucks did. They said we abide by the state and federal laws, and so, in other words, if it's legal, go ahead and bring your gun in until Starbucks shot themselves in the foot. McDonald's spokesman Lisa McComb gave Business Insider this statement. We recognize that there is a lot of emotion and passion surrounding the issue of firearms and open carry weapons laws. While we respect the different views of all our customers, McDonald's company-owned restaurants follow local, state, and federal laws as it relates to open carry weapons in our restaurants. For franchise-owned restaurants, operational decisions regarding open carry weapons laws are made by the independent franchisees. They said that as with all aspects of operating McDonald's restaurants, we expect our franchisees and their crew to follow local, state, and federal laws. So, the McDonald's that I brought you to, the two McDonald's local here in the Vancouver Orchards areas, are franchisees, obviously, and they do not they have those signs, no weapons allowed. But this last statement, that said, with all aspects of operating a McDonald's restaurant, we expect our franchisees and their crew to follow local, state, and federal laws. So McDonald's is saying, we expect our franchisees and their crew to follow local, state, and federal laws. So these McDonald's in the Vancouver and Orchards area that I pointed out in the other videos, I'll link them down below if you haven't seen them, or you can just look at my videos, are saying we don't want weapons in our place. But McDonald's right here, it looks to me, is putting the pressure on them, saying this is what the law says. Open carry and weapons inside, lawful carrying gun owners are allowed inside our restaurants. We expect you also to follow that. So we'll see if things change at these places. I'll continue to point out businesses that are not open carry friendly, not gun friendly. Yeah, this is very interesting. So it's the franchisees that are causing the problems, not McDonald's as a whole. So, I mean, go inside a McDonald's, and if they have a no weapons allowed sign on the door, go ahead and ask about it and say, did you realize that the McDonald's power that be are saying that they expect you to abide by this state law that says open carry and legal carrying of a weapon inside the restaurant is legal. They expect you to follow that. Are you going to change your policy? Should be interesting. If this happens, if you do this, go ahead and leave a comment in the description and tell us about it. We want to know where we should and should not be spending our money. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.